kakasign ko lang nung bago kong contract with my school. So, I'm gonna be working here for 1 more year. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Immigration Center to let them know that I'm gonna stay for another year, and to the Employment Department to let them know of the same thing. Okay, let's go. Bale, yung visa ko is valid until next week, February 28. So, kailangan namin yun ma-renew. I'm talking about my work visa. Oh my God, be careful, Teacher Ray. Hello. How are you? Say hi. Oh, Teacher Peter, hello. Did you eat lunch? Kin lunch? Okay, see you. What? I'm recording, yes. Yes, yeah. Okay, hello, Sadika. Good afternoon. Thailand immigration. So we're going to sign here because we have to go out of school. We do this every time. One thing I'm lucky about, is that my school is very supportive when it comes to contract renewal, yung mga exits ko before nung wala pa akong work permit, things like that. We are going to make use of the school van, feeling semi-VIP. As I was saying, my school is very supportive when it comes to helping me out with my paperwork. Not everybody gets the same kind of support that I get here. Not everybody gets the same kind of treatment as well. So I am just happy and thankful, very thankful for the way things are going on here. Check ko lang if I have everything that I need in this folder. The copy of my new contract. Kakarating niya lang from the Ministry of Education. Yung mga orders from school, the letter from the director, employment certification. Hi, I hope you're enjoying watching the video. I just wanted to say please like and subscribe. That'll help this video a lot. Thank you.
Guys, yeah, like this.
Stopover muna tayo because we'll have some coffee. Nothing fancy, yung nadaanan lang namin dun sa may Emerald. So tigil lang kami saglit because we'll have some coffee. Nothing fancy at all. Ito, that one. Nadaanan lang namin. Pero medyo inaantok yata sila. So sabi nila, okay, let's have some coffee. Of course, why not? So we're here, mask up. The elephant, the largest of land mammals has evolved over more than 6 million years. Yet, if the species' current declines remain unchecked in Asia, 60 million years of evolution will be wiped out in just 50 years. In the modern world, one place where elephants can still have a close relationship with humans is right here in Thailand. Some really nice photos right here. Oh, this one is nice. This one too is very lovely. We are at the non-employment department, and this is my old work permit. I'm going to submit it today to renew it. I'm helping out attach some stamps. Teacher, why do we have stamps? Because we're sending this to Bangkok or what?
It's like a fee.
So this is for the power of attorney, right?
The power.
Something I will never be able to accomplish without Teacher Rin over here is filling out forms here at the employment department, because they have to write everything in Thai language, and the only thing that is written in Roman alphabet is my name. Feeling ko baby ako kasi sinusulat ni Teacher Rin yung mga information na kailangan for me. Feeling ko naman magagawa ko siya with the help of the employment officer. Pero it's just so much easier if you have somebody doing it for you. Again, I'm very thankful and very happy that I have people helping me out. Because some teachers, they don't get this kind of help from their institutions. I'm also very happy that the Department of Employment officers here in Nan are very friendly. So every time I come here together with Teacher Rin, we are assisted very well, and they help us with all of the things that we have questions about. I'm going to put this picture on my employment permit renewal. What's funny is that I made use of the same photo when I went to Japan maybe 4 years ago. So I'm just glad that the employees here at the Department of Employment in Nan City are very friendly and very helpful. I'm not sure if that is the case for other agencies though, but yes, it's just one of the things that I am very happy about as well.
I can confirm that they are very friendly.
So we're finished here. We're going to the next department, or I don't know, maybe Teacher Rin just went to the toilet. Teacher Rin? Did you just go? Oh, we're just going up. Okay. O diba, ang tagal-tagal ko nang ginagawa, hindi ko pa rin memorize yung process. So, bale, kailangan ka pa palang hintayin yung work permit, which is gonna come in 1 or 2 days. And then that's the time pa lang na makakapunta kami sa non-immigration office. So I guess this video will have a part 2. That's it for today. See you in my next video.